Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup. Then after that, I'll be explaining to you how the strategy works. Okay, so first of all, we click on this F icon here. The first indicator we have here is the awesome oscillator. All right, so you click on the main window plus icon, you search for your awesome oscillator. Right, this is the setting for the awesome oscillator. So the volume up, you have to make it the color of your background 1 pixel. You do the same with the volume down. All right, so after that, you click on done. You are done with the awesome oscillator. The next indicator is the relative strength index. Right, so you click on the main window plus icon. You click on the indicator window 1 plus icon, you search for your relative strength index. All right, we need it for the level. You make the period 1, apply to its close. The level, you make it 85 and 15, color red, 4 pixel. You click on done. The time frame is all time frame. Now under the style, you make the color white, 1 pixel, and you click on done. All right, now the next indicator is moving average. Right, you click on this indicator in the 1 plus icon again, you search for your moving average. You make the period 1, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to its first indicator's data, time frame is all time frame. The style, you make it color red, 4 pixel, you click on done. Alright, now the last indicator here is moving average. Alright, you click on it, you click on this plus icon, you search for your moving average. For this one, you have to make the period 15, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to its first indicator's data, leave the level as it is, time frame is all time frame. The style, you make it color blue, 4 pixel, you click on done. Alright, so once you have set everything correctly, you are going to have a screen like this one. Alright, now before I explain how the strategy works, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy, the VIP boom and crash strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. Okay, this strategy is strictly made for boom and crash. Alright, and it's for beginners. Alright, even if you're a newbie coming into the forex market new, alright, you are just learning new and you don't know how to make profit on your own, with this strategy you'll be able to make profit on daily basis. Okay, so if you're interested, you check the description of this video, you're going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how the strategy works. Okay, now that about that. Alright, that's that about that. Now, how does this particular strategy here work? Alright, how does this particular strategy here works? Alright, this is a very powerful strategy. This is also a VIP strategy, but I'll be giving it free. Okay, now what you want to do is that you wait for spike to occur in the market. Alright, so once spike occur, you check your indicator window here. You want to make sure that this red line here is at the overbought level, right, which is our 15 level. Alright, so once you confirm this, then you are good to go. Right, now the next thing is that you wait for the red to cross below the blue line, and then you pick your 5 candles. Alright, as you can see here, you pick your 5 candles. So once you allow it to get here, you'll be able to pick 5 candles without the fear of spike. You don't need to fear spike once this condition here is met. Alright, let's check another example so that you see that the strategy is very good. Now you can see our condition is met. The red is at the overbought level. You wait for it to cross below the blue and you'll be able to pick your 5 candle here again. Alright, you can see here also, pick your 5 candles. Alright, so far you wait for the strategy to give you the condition completely, you are good to go. Alright, now you can see here again, right, the red is at the overbought level. You wait for it to cross below the blue, you pick your 5 candles. Alright, so that is how simple the strategy is. Alright, it's a very simple but powerful strategy. Alright, and I want you guys to practice it very well before you go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, don't just take my words for it. Make sure to practice for yourself to see if it's working before you go in with your hard-earned money. Alright, so for those of you who are just coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe. If you know you are getting value, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, and don't forget to give the video a like. So that is that about that. Alright, for the zoom level, you zoom out completely and then you zoom in 2 times. Alright, that's the zoom level. Alright, So I think I will be ending the video here. All right, I don't want it to be too long, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you out.